welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, we're here at the NBA Community Court somewhere here in Mandaluyong. So we're here for an event, NBA event. Medyo maingay. So excited na sila to meet our special guests. So stay tuned. Abangan natin kung sino. In the meantime, please hit that like button because it really helps the channel a lot, and please subscribe so you can help the channel grow as well. So we'll be back in a bit. The legend is in the house! So, ayan na si Dominic Wilkins. Ayan. Ready na natin ipasign itong Dominic Wilkins Funko Pop niya. Siyempre, I'm wearing my Celtics jersey because he played for the Celtics anyway. Did you know that he holds the distinction of scoring the final point in the old Boston Garden? So, I brought my dad along as well. So, we'll be back in a bit. So, Dominic doing the drills for the foot. So, yeah. Panoodin muna namin. Again, if you're watching, please subscribe. So, for more contents like this. So they're doing drills. Here with Sir Boom Gonzalez. So sir, who's your more memorable interview? Is it Kobe Bryant or LeBron James?
Well, they're both obviously superstars. I have to say I'm very lucky to be able to do both, to interview both, no? And 3 times, both of them 3 times, to be with them, not necessarily just interview, but to be with them, to host their tour here in the Philippines. Obviously sentimental reasons, not only because he's not with us anymore, but Kobe Bryant, also because he was my first NBA interview, actually.
Wow,
the first NBA athlete, so Kobe Kagad. And he came over to the Philippines 4 or 5 times, and 3 of those I was involved, so I was very lucky and blessed to be able to do that. LeBron, all the 3 times that he was here, I also hosted his tour, so I'm blessed to be able to do that. I will never take it for granted, but there are sentimental reasons, obviously, with Kobe. I think the first one was 2008, if I'm not mistaken, or 2007. So, sentimental reasons I have to do with Kobe.
So here you go, Boom Gonzalez, the amazing,
Thank you.
the legendary. Thank you, Sir Boom.
Thank you.
Thank you. So done na yung drills, about to have this sign. May nagbigay sa akin ng NBA card ni Dominic Wilkins. So, ayun. Wait na lang natin.
Basketball is a game that takes a lot of time.
So, napasign na natin kay Dominic. Ito siya. With Boom Gonzalez. So, yeah. Yun, napasign na natin kay Dominic yung Funko Pop. Saka yung may nagbigay ng card. Napasign din natin. So, yun. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel because it really helps the channel grow a lot. So, yun. That's it for this vlog. Keep safe and always have fun.